everyone, welcome back to Math Solver 1117. If your ACT math exam is just around the corner, don't panic. Today I am sharing last minute math hacks that can boost your score. These are practical time saving tricks you can use right before or during the exam. Let's jump right in. So the first trick is easy wins first. This means that the first 20 to 25 questions are easier. Solve them fast and avoid wasting time. Every question has equal marks, so don't sacrifice easy ones for a single hard problem. So, first 20 to 25 question, do these first. Now the second hack is cut and eliminate. This means that use elimination when stuck. Cross out impossible answers like negative lengths or unrealistic values, even narrowing down 2 or 3 doubtful your choices. Now the hack 3 is smart calculator. This means that check tricky arithmetic and fractions with the calculator, but don't over rely. Learn how to solve them without calculator also and save your time. Many questions are faster with mental math. Now the next hack is apply this rule, plug and play. This means that you will replace variables with numbers. Replace variables with numbers. This means that for algebra, plug in simple numbers like x equal to x equals 4. This simplifies equations and avoid mistakes. Work great for ratio, inequality and functions questions. Now the next most important hack is the most important hack to complete your paper, that is time checkpoints. You have 60 questions and you have to solve them in 60 minutes. So first of all, you will apply a rule that 15 minutes you will done 15 questions. Then in the next 30 minutes you will solve again 15 questions. So it will become 30. And in the last 45 minutes you will solve 45 questions. This prevents running out of time in the last section. Now there is the most important tip is guess smart. This means that never leaves blank. No penalty for wrong answers. If short on time, pick one letter like B or C for all remaining. Better to guess strategically than leaving empty. So these are the best hacks to boost your score. With these hacks, easy win, elimination, calculator tricks, plug and play, time checkpoints and smart guessing, you will walk into ACT with confidence and score higher. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Math Solver 1117 for more SAT and ACT strategies. Good luck on your test. You got this.